What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. This week's video I've really enjoyed filming. Yes, I know, it's another aesthetic DIYs for your bedroom part 2. I'm really happy with how all of them turned out. You can see a sneak peek of a few of them here. I don't want to keep you here too long. All my social medias will be linked in the description as always, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Why do I do that? It's really awkward and weird. It's just habit now though. For the first DIY, what you will need to do is find some songs that you like the look of or songs you really enjoy listening to, and you need to also get some glass out of picture frames or acrylic or something. Acrylic is safer. I then drew on top of them with Sharpie and I went around all the symbols like you can see in the video. And then you want to cut out the album art that you can see on the background and just lay it where you want it so it's facing through the glass, and put a little bit of sellotape around the corners so that it holds it on but you can't see the sellotape, if that makes sense.
Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should have told you that I loved you.
This one, you need to go into your garden, buy some flowers and just put them in a notebook. Lay them out so they're nice and flat, and then fold the pages over and make sure you keep them all pressed down. This is so that we can press the flowers and they will be preserved. I then obviously shoved it under a load of books and I left it there for about 3 weeks, I think. You don't have to leave it that long, but that's what I did. And then when you take them all out, you can see the colours and the shapes, and some of them went a bit manky, so you can just decide which ones you want to use and which you don't. I then got some clear CD cases that I'd taken all the paper and stuff out of, and I just laid things in them as I wanted them and sellotaped them with little bits of sellotape on the back and looped
I
over.
should have told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you every night.
This one isn't really a DIY, but I recently put up some TikTok LED strip lights kind of things, and I think they add loads to my room, so I'd really suggest getting some of these. For this DIY, I got some gold card and I drew some circles in it. I can't remember exactly how many, you can count yourself. But then I drew the phases of the moon on them and cut them so that each one was a different phase of the moon. And then I went into my garden and found a stick and then strung each phase of the moon on it with a little bit of white thread and sellotaped it to the back of them with sellotape, obviously. I spaced them out about 5 centimeters between each one, but you don't have to do it exact. However you want to do it is fine. And each string was a little bit longer, so it went in kind of like a V shape. I hope that made sense, like so.
I hope you sing this all night long with your ripped up jeans and your high.
Finally, I wanted to just paint some canvases with some cool photos, so I chose some song albums that I like, my 2 favourite podcasts, and I went onto PowerPoint and I made it so that they had the paintbrush effect on them, so it was really easy to see where I needed to put my paint. These are the 4 ones I chose. I chose them because they look really cool and also my 2 favourite podcasts, as I just said. This is a really cool way of drawing if you're not very confident at doing it. If you hold your pencil over the top of the drawing and then move the picture away, you can easily dot your pencil onto the paper and get an accurate shape. I went ahead and painted them.
Told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should have told you that I loved you. would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Subscribe. Let me know in the comments what videos you want to see next, because I've got tons of ideas coming out, but I also want to incorporate some things you guys want to see, and I want to hear your ideas because there might be something in there that I want to do. I'll see you next week for another video at the weekend. Good night, y'all. It's not even night time. Bye.
One more time, I should have told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you every